Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring the phone is unlocked and has at least 10% battery. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings now and use the top search field to jump straight to emergency or safety options, faster than scrolling. Once found, tap Emergency Mode or Emergency Call Settings to enter that section. Make sure you're in the device-level settings, not a third-party app. This first step gets you to the correct control panel, so you can safely adjust emergency call behavior. You'll now remove the triggers that place emergency calls. Once in emergency or safety settings, locate Emergency SOS, Side Key Actions, and Lock Screen Emergency options. Tap each item and switch off Auto Call, Rapid Press, or Hold to Call features. These are the usual culprits. If the system prompts for confirmation, authenticate with your PIN, pattern, or biometrics. Make sure to test with a harmless press sequence after changing settings. This verifies the change. Finish by rebooting the phone to ensure the new settings take effect. Once done, retest the side key and lock screen gestures so you're certain no accidental calls occur. If the problem persists, inspect third-party lock or customization apps and disable them because they may override system behavior. Alternatively, use ADB to review key mappings if you're comfortable. As a last resort, reset only system settings before a full factory reset, and if that's necessary, back up your data first to prevent loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.